As a tire dealer or shop owner, I'm sure you've been on the front lines of the significant growth of the CUV and SUV market. I mean, take a look at your inventory. That's probably a great indicator right there. With that being said, you've likely devoted time to training staff and chatting with customers about this segment, and for good reason. The CUV and SUV vehicle market continues to grow its share. Let's talk about how CUV and SUV tires continue to grow and adapt. SUV and CUV growth may have something to do with fuel efficiency and the customer's desire for increased miles per gallon. However, how much it will impact the corresponding tire segment remains to be seen. Primarily, the main push for fuel efficiency comes from the OEMs. However, the demand for replacement tires remains largely driven by tread life and versatile performance across all seasons, rather than being significantly impacted by fuel efficiency concerns. With that being said, the desire for increased fuel efficiency affects all aspects of vehicle development, including tires. Tire manufacturers are working on new technologies to improve fuel efficiency while minimizing the impact on tread wear and performance. Currently, one of the main technologies being developed is low rolling resistance compounds, not only in the tread, but in the compound that makes up a tire. However, many factors affect the fuel efficiency of a tire, including materials, construction, shape, and aerodynamics. On top of fuel efficiency, customers with CUVs or SUVs seek ride comfort, long tread life, and performance. That means customers looking for tires for their SUVs or CUVs expect a smooth and quiet ride, wet performance, and strength with long-lasting performance. Remember though, CUVs and SUVs are defined as utility vehicles, so strength and long life are key factors customers look for in a tire. Given the wide range of CUV and SUV models, tire dealers should take vehicle performance requirements, driving styles, and intended use into account when selling to customers. By the time they come into your shop, it's likely your customers have already researched what they think they need in a tire. So, the best thing you can do is ask the customer questions and learn their routine and the type of performance they look for in a CUV or SUV tire. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire, service, and shop operations videos. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.